What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on some LED lights that I got for the 2010 Mazdasleed 3. I'm going to show you guys what company that sent me out some LED lights. Let's get to it. These are some the LED headlights I'm going to show you guys how to install on the 2010 Mazdasleed 3. So these headlights are from the LED lights are from AUXITO. They sent me an email, wanted me to review their new LED lights. So they sent me a pair to show you guys the lights and try them out. So yeah, we'll get to that. So I want to open the box and kind of show you guys what comes with it. So these are the style that I got. So you can see it's marked black, H8/H9/H11. So and these are the other bulbs you can get, other styles. Go right here, and then on the back, got it upside down. Look at me. There you go. There's the back. So yeah, let's get to this video and show you guys what's in the box. So here we go. This is what's in the box. So it comes when you get you guys some bulbs, LED lights. Come with some gloves. I'll set this down, put it in my pocket so it's dirty. Comes with the booklet. Shows you guys, what's different styles of bulbs and how to connect them, seals and everything. That's what that is. Showing you guys how to install them. Comes with some zip ties and an Allen wrench. And here's the LED bulbs. Look how nice they are. I'm gonna put my gloves on because you don't really want to touch them, put fingerprints and stuff like that. So let me put the gloves on and we get back to the video. All right, so got the gloves on. So I'm gonna show you guys what the light looks like. I keep saying, where is the bulb LED light? So this is what comes with the box. Try not to drop these two. So this is what it looks like. Has the LED on both sides, connector and your canvas. There you go, AUXITO. So yeah, it's really simple to install. I'm going to show you guys the comparison of the lights I got now. Right now it's it's daytime, but I want to show you guys a video of with my lights on at night with the stock bulbs and with the new LED lights. So, but for this, I'm going to show you guys how to install. It's really easy. So these are for the low beam lights. So pretty much, your regular running lights when you turn your light on at night. So I'm going to show you guys that and what to do. So on the 2010 Mazdasleed 3s, your low beam is right here. This is your high beam. So once we switching out, it's going to be right here. So all you gotta do is you turn it this way. Well, first, you can do it, but let's try to take this plug off. There you go. Take the connector off. Turn your bulb. And there you go. And you pull it out. That's simple. Then next, you get your new one. So I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna put the phone down and put these on. Be careful because I want to drop it. So I'm gonna put them on, then I'll show you guys what it is. So there you go. Have them on. Like I said, it's easy. The way you took it out, you put them in to the two teeth you see right here. Pull this one out. Put them on to where it matches at. The two little clips, not clips, but the tabs, lock it in place, and you just put them in to the right spot, and you just turn it down, click it in spot, boom, it's in. Before I get going on the rest, I'm gonna show you guys too. Look at this. Has a nice cooling fan for the LED lights. I like that. A good seal to keep the moisture and everything out. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys before I click them in. So you see it says, let me see if if it goes in. There you go. You see it says the plus and minus. So what you want to do is you want to get your connector right here. So most people know, red is always the hot power and the black is the ground. So just make sure it's flipped like this. So plus is on this side. So you just turn it over and just make sure it matches up. Minus with the ground, plus with the power. So I'm gonna do that, guys, then come back to you guys. So there you go, guys. It's on right now. You can tell the difference. Look how bright it is. Look, you can even tell bright from the one I just replaced to the one you can't barely see. So see how bright it is and that. And look at that. Wah, wah, wah. So that's a big difference. So yeah, you want to, it's better to have bright lights. So, especially the ones, with the regular halogen bulbs, ain't really bright. Say you can't really see at night, or you got some new rims, you don't want to hit no potholes, or, pexy critters running across the street, you don't want to hit them. But yeah, these will definitely help. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys what they look like, what the stock ones look like at night, and what the new ones look like at night. So I'll show you guys that. So yeah, but that's what it looks like. That's how you install the LED lights. It's really easy. Same on this side. It's this one right here. Do the same thing. Disconnect it, turn it, put the new one. Boom, put them in. Easy. The zip ties, you just zip the zip ties for, so you just find a good spot to put them at, so that it doesn't be hanging around, moving around. I'll find a spot right now, but you can see fan is going, cooling the mugs down, so it's good. But yeah, guys, look at it. Nice. So on the other side, driver's side, so again, connector off, pull right here, light comes out, that easy, and you grab your new ones, new LEDs. I'm gonna do that right now, install it, because I don't want to drop it. So I'll install that one, then I'll come back to you guys. And there you go, other side is on, that easy. Again, make sure your wires connected with the power and ground. So yeah, so I'm gonna turn it on and show you guys with the both LED lights in. There you go, guys. Now you can already see the difference. Remember earlier it was really low, you can barely see the light. Now you can see them both. So it looks like with both of them on, I can already tell this is gonna light up the whole street. Again, thanks to AUXITO for sending me a pair of the LED lights. If you guys want a pair, I put the link in the description below. Use my code Where's Garage and get you for 15% off. They have light bulbs for damn near any car. I looked at my kid's mom's car. She has a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. They even got headlights for her, or LED lights for her car. So if you guys want one for your car, go on their website, get you a pair, and enjoy them. Like they look, I can already tell they're gonna look really good. It's really bright. I say I'm gonna show you guys a video of the before and after at night with the stock ones and what they look like at night with the new ones. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know about this video. It's good. I'm gonna be definitely buying a pair for the G35. The G35 right there. Dirty because it rained a little bit over here, so it's dirty. But definitely will be buying a pair for the G35. Yeah, guys. It's gonna be good at night. Well, that's how you install you guys LED lights. I see you guys in the next one. So like I promised you guys, I'll make a video at night. So I put the stock ones back in just so I can demonstrate to you guys. So this is my stock lights. I mean, they all right, but going from that to this. So you see the difference? Really, really bright. Can definitely see anything that's in the street, potholes, cats, dogs running across the street. That's how bright these LED lights are. Again, thanks to AUXITO for sending me a pair of these LED lights. I really love them. I'm definitely, like I said, I'm gonna get the pair for the G35, guaranteed. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the bottom what you think about this video, and if you guys looking for LED lights, hit up AUXITO. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description to where you can get them, and I put the link of my code to get you guys 15% off on you guys' pair. And they don't just have LED light, they have other things too. Side markers, they even have a battery charger or a jumper. Check their website out. Check their website out, guys, and check them out. All right, see you later.